Are you recording me again?
No, I'm texting.
You better be texting. Why are you texting me?
Because I'm reading a message.
You're a liar.
I'm reading a message.
Is she reading a message, Michaela? I don't know. Get over there and do it. No, I'm confused. Why don't you point at Michaela and then tell me that you're texting? Smile. I got both of our eyebrows went up right now.
Now I'm recording. So are you getting an ice cream? One.
In a little bit. It's only 5. But so yeah, I was talking to Tyler this morning about how I have this bomb and it's white and on it has I heart mustache and it has a picture of a mustache on it, so it basically says I heart mustaches.
Is the mustache on your crotch?
Yep. hold on, that's the whole story. So Tyler was like, you know what would be a good idea? And I was like, what? And he was like, if it was see-through. And I just looked at him, you know, like, so you could like see the hair, and I was like, and then I thought about it, and I kept thinking about it all day, because that was in 1st period. So when we were in 7th period, I was there talking to Tyler, and I was like, I just randomly turned around, because we were even talking about it. I just randomly turned around, I was like, that wouldn't even work. What if I shaved? And then I was like, what? What are you talking about? And it was like, nothing. It was from this morning. And Tyler was just there laughing his ass off. He was like, what if you...
Yeah, but if it has a mustache on it, wouldn't your crotch have a mustache?
What if you shaved it to a mustache?
No, I think it's just the part that it has a mustache.
Like the mustache part would be see-through?
Yeah, see-through. Are you imagining it?
I was. And you keep feeling it. You know what's weird?
I was just thinking, that'd be nasty. Because they're just basically saying, I love pubes.
That's exactly why I said ew right now.
She's joking. What? What was that? Sorry, somebody will shut up.
I'm not hungry.
Probably drink that. I mean, unless you're gonna backwash. I probably shouldn't.
Oh god, please don't.
Are you dying? Are you dying right now? Am I supposed to help you? Do you want me to help you? I can help you if you want. You're not answering my question. You're just busy joking. Okay, if you're not gonna answer my question, then I'm not gonna help you. Do you need help? Answer my question.
Yes, I needed your help.
Well, it's kind of too late for that now, huh? So how are things?
The French fry is stuck in the back of my throat.
That's what she said.